Are you live streaming on TikTok but getting no viewers? You stream for hours, but only 2 or 3 people join. That's really discouraging, right? In this video, I'll show you a powerful tool that can help increase your TikTok live stream viewers, bringing in hundreds of views in just a few minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First, the software allows you to manage an unlimited number of TikTok accounts. As you can see here, these are all the TikTok accounts. You simply need to import them using username and password format. After adding them, the system will automatically log in all accounts for you. These accounts will act as real users interacting with your live stream. So the more accounts you have, the more effective your live stream growth will be. You can also purchase pre-created TikTok accounts. In my case, I've already prepared a large number of accounts like these. Most of them are aged accounts, which means they have better trust and higher performance. To ensure safety, each TikTok account will be assigned a proxy. A proxy helps change the IP address of each account, so every account appears as a different device. This makes the activity look more natural and reduces the risk of detection, so you can feel more confident when running the system. Next, if you want to increase views for your live stream, go to the Seeding section. Inside this section, there are multiple features such as boosting video views or live stream engagement. To boost your live stream, simply select the live stream feature. First, paste your live stream link into this section and save it. Next, you can set the watch duration for each account. For example, you can set each account to watch from 500 to 1000 seconds, or even longer if you want. Then, you can enable auto-like to increase engagement. You can also enable auto-comment and enter your comment content here. Each line represents one comment, and the system will automatically rotate them across accounts. Finally, just select the TikTok accounts you want to use. Tick all of them and click Start. The software will automatically open the accounts. Access your live stream, watch, like, and interact. By increasing engagement on your live stream, the TikTok algorithm is more likely to recommend your content to real viewers. That's how many KOLs, KOCs, and professional streamers boost their live stream performance. If you want to scale your live stream faster and more effectively, this is definitely a tool you should consider.